Hey, I'm William. In today's video, we're going to guide you through testing and replacing the main control on your LG front load washer. If you're experiencing problems like your washer not cycling properly, unexpected stops, or no response when you press buttons, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Now, before we jump in, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward, supportive appliance repair tips. Let's get to work. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power disconnected and our tools in hand, we are ready to start troubleshooting. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 mounting screws securing the top panel to the washer, located at the back corners. We're sliding the top panel to the rear of the washer, lifting it up, and then setting it to the side. And we are removing the pressure sensor mounting screw and letting the sensor hang to the side. With these removed, we can grab our flathead screwdriver and use it to release the locking tabs of the main control housing cover. The cover can be rotated out and set to the side. We are looking for a 6-post connector with only 2 wires attached, a blue wire and a white wire. We are disconnecting the wires from the control and grabbing our multimeter. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter. We'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. We're setting our multimeter to resistance or ohms, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. We're testing from the blue wire to the white wire and should see a resistance between 38 to 40 k ohms. Warmer or colder temperatures can make this resistance vary a little bit. If the thermistor is within resistance range, it means the main control is not identifying information properly and has failed. Since we found the main control has failed, I'm going to show you how to replace it. We're going to the back of the washer and removing the 1 screw from the main control housing, securing it to the back panel. Now we're going to slide the main control towards the center of the washer, then pull it away from the back panel. We're rotating the control to be able to clearly see the wire connectors. This would be a good time to take a picture of the connections before removing them. It helps with reassembly. We're disconnecting the wires from the main control. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We are inserting the wires into the main control, then sliding it into place on the back panel. We are securing the main control cover to the main control, then installing the mounting screw we removed from the back panel. Now we're mounting the pressure sensor onto the cover with the Phillips screw we removed. We're grabbing the top panel, sliding it into place, and securing it with the screws that we removed at the beginning. Don't forget to plug your power cord back in, and with that, we are done. Great job tackling the error on your LG washer. We'd love to hear how your repair turned out. Share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement part, don't worry. You can easily find it by heading over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Rest assured, most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for letting us assist you in your do-it-yourself journey, and we look forward to being part of your next project.